Mountvida Reserve makes it easy to sell and manage bookings online with advanced features like promo codes that enable you to run marketing and promotional campaigns. Setup is easy. In this demo, I will set up a promo code for a company doing boat tours. Let's begin. I have already registered on Mountvida.com and I'm logged in, so I'm going straight to Mountvida Reserve. From the Mountvida Reserve homepage, I can find all the tools I need to manage my offerings and promotions. I'll head over to my promo code manager to set up a discount code for one of my activities. To get started, I'll click to Create New. Now I can begin setting up my new promo code. I can do things like set a custom date schedule in advance, or I can limit use per customer for a promotion. I can also restrict the promotion to specific activities. Once I've finished, I check to confirm my promo code is activated, and that's it! I'm off to my favorite social media site to share my newly added promotion. Find a better experience with Mountvida.